everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So you can see this reading name, The Good Enough Mother. So this is second or third time this reading is repeating, but not the same year, not the last year. I think it was in 2022. So we will be doing this reading passage. So definitely we will not read anything. We'll just go to the questions we have. First type of question we have yes, no, not given. Second we have complete the table. And third type of question is also same like fill in the blanks kind of things. Okay, so we will start our reading with only first type of question. Why? Because three types of questions we have here. Okay, so this reading passage must have been divided according to the type of question. So first four questions we will get in first 2-3 paragraphs maybe, but the next question 31 to 36 it may be second like turn wise we will be getting all the locations and we can solve all the readings. So let's do this yes, no, not given. Yes, how to do this yes, no, not given. It's important you should follow IELTS reading strategies and all. For each type of question is having different strategy. So this is similar kind of things like true, false, not given. So but take care of this when you are writing, transferring the answer from the question paper to answer sheet. Some students are doing mistake. Instead of writing yes, no, they will be writing true, false, true, false. That will be a wrong answer. So let's read the statement first. 27th number. Mothers are under pressure from themselves. So here mothers are under pressure from themselves and society's expectation to be good mothers. Okay, society is also keyword. So now we have understood the meaning of this statement. I have read this statement. Mothers are under pressure. It means they are under pressure from themselves and society's expectation to be good mothers. Okay, so if mothers are under pressure, so under pressure word we will find this is keyword, mother also, society's expectation also we can get, and good mothers definitely it will be there. So if they are under pressure then it will be yes. If they are not under pressure, they are happy with themselves and society's expectation, they are meeting every expectation to be a good mother, then it will be no. And if they are not talking whether these mothers are under pressure and they are following society's rules and regulations kind of thing, then definitely it will be not given. So let's find these words. Yes, society word also they can paraphrase, under pressure also they can paraphrase. Under pressure means stress kind of thing, anxiety and these kinds of thing may be there. So let's find these keywords in first paragraph. So this is first paragraph and I am looking for under pressure, society and mother also. New parents have experienced pressure, this is the pressure word is here, and responsibility that come with rearing child. The mother in particular for biological and societal reason, society word is also there, is under stress. Yeah, under stress means under pressure, paraphrased. To fulfill the expectations, expectation is also there, that she and society puts on her. She means for mothers it is themselves, she means single mother, they have used it she, and society puts on her. So it means they are under pressure from themselves and society's expectations. So these things we have exactly matched here. And where it is to be good mothers. Throughout history, new parents have experienced the pressure and responsibilities that come with rearing a child. So the mother in particular, biological, societal reasons to fulfill expectation. Okay, so it is automatically they are talking about good parenting, good mothers. So of course this is yes. Okay, so 28th. Today the field of child development is not influenced by much by Winnicott's theory. Okay, so this is the keyword. This keyword will take us to the location, and in the next line only this name is given. So we have reached, because one by one after this question we will get location of this, but some gap may be there. So now we have to find whether this person's theory is influenced, the field of child development is not influenced by these theories. Okay. Donald Winnicott, a British pediatrician, broke ground and shocked those around him with his original views on the relationship between child and their mothers. Winnicott challenged the traditional and idealized view of parenting and provided theory guidance that was more grounded in the reality of parenthood. Winnicott's notions of good enough mother and facilitating environment that he described remain important in the study of child development. Now, see this. Now, of course, you can subscribe and practice with me. Okay. Now, everything we have got. Now, let's read the question statement again. Today's the field of child development is not influenced much by Winnicott's theory. So here it is given, he described whatever he had described about the things remain important in the study of child development. Here it is given contradiction, is not influenced. Actually, it is influenced by this person's theory. So it is no. Next, a man's 29th, a man's traditional role. A man's traditional role as breadwinner means that he has less pressure to be an excellent parent. Okay, so we will find a man's traditional role and breadwinner. Let's find. Okay, so this paragraph is done. First paragraph is done. Now let's move to second paragraph. We will try to find man also. Woman and man is here. See this? So let's read it. To say that most parents try to provide the best for their children and many feel guilty when they are not able to do so, especially when many men and women in the modern world try to balance personal and professional lives with perfect parenthood. So both are doing. This key role for adults in today's world has led to this subject intensively examined and various theories of parenting being created while a variety of models have. So man and woman, they are talking, but they are not talking about particularly man's traditional role as breadwinner means that he has less pressure to be an excellent. I don't think so they have described anything over here, so we can go not given. So why I am writing it in capital letter? Because in actual answer sheet you have to write every answer in capital letters. See this, you can read this paragraph. We have just gone through this paragraph. Nothing is given about typical man, and in next also we can read, but here it is not given. That means it is not given in this. Now yes is also given, no is also given, not given is also given. Now suspense is there for the last question. Parenting has not been a subject that has been widely studied. Okay, parenting has not been a subject that has been widely studied. Okay, if this parenting has been a wide subject that has been studied, then it means it will be yes. If uh, no if the parenting has been widely studied subject, then it will be no sorry, that it will be okay, yes, it will be no. And if parenting has not been, negative thing will be about this subject, then it will be yes. Okay, so let's find parenting subject. Parenting something provide professional lives with perfect. The key role for adults in today's world had led to this subject word is also there. We were looking for subject also. The key role for adults in today's world has led to this subject being intensively examined and various theories of parenting being created. It means here it is saying opposite. They are saying has not been a subject that has been widely studied, but here has led to this subject. The key role for adults in today's world has led to this subject being intensively examined and various theories of parenting being created. It means this is exactly no. Opposite thing here it is given in information. You can read it. So this is the question. I will just show it to you. 30 number question we are doing it. And this is the statement. Now we have done yes, no, not given. Complete the table below. So for this, fill in the blanks, complete the table. They have given title of this table. 4 core theories of parenting. So this word we were just reading in this paragraph. See this, 4 core theories, 4 core theories underpin the majority of them. It means our location for these complete the table, fill in the blanks had been started from here. Okay. Now first 31st number question. So this is the topic they have given, social learning theory. So social learning theory, they have started the next paragraph where we have got location of 4 core theories. Under that they have started with this paragraph with social learning theory. So this is the social learning theory, and first we will read. So social learning theory based on this same, based on how reactions to children's are reinforced. Okay. Children's assumption that based on children's behavior will improve when appropriate reinforced word is also there. Children are, it means behavior will come. See this, the words before and after blank are really important. So this also I have done it, reinforced, and children's I have just circled it. It means children's behavior will come. So I will just write behavior. You can write it in capital letter, but here it doesn't matter. You have to shift everything in capital letter in answer sheet. Now 32 number. So good conduct is rewarded, and one rewarded is here, but we need to find the word for this 32. But why I am reading it, so that some sequence should be there, so that I can come to know that this line is gone, this line is gone. It's like Tambola game. Parents can be taught. What parents can be taught here? Reward is here. Social learning theory based programs teach parents strategies for punishing a child misconduct and rewarding positive behavior. Okay, so let's see what the statement is saying. Parents can be taught. Reward is also we have done, ignored. Poor conduct is also there. So parents can be taught. Parents theory programs teach parents strategy, can be taught strategies. Paraphrasing, this is just simply paraphrasing they have done, can be taught strategies. Okay, now 33 number, attachment theory. It means in next paragraph it is attachment theory. See this attachment theory, we will be reading it. Now what they are saying, so here attachment theory is here based on powerful. So this powerful word is important. With the help of this word we can easily find this thing, infant, and it is for above caregiver. Okay, these 3 words, let's find it. So it's based on the notion, base word is also there, on the notion that an infant is also their ability to form a strong emotional bond. Based on powerful is strong, so emotional bond we can write it. Nowadays one word only, fill in the blanks are coming, but if it was one word then we will just cut down this emotional, only bond will come. Okay, but here we can use 2 words according to this reading passage. Emotional bond will come, or only bond you can write. So that we have, see this how paraphrased they have done. Caregiver is also there, caregiver is also from here to here. This is the location of this full sentence. Now 34 number. Now same in this here we are looking for 34. Parents can be taught. So first they are talking about theory based on this and this, and after finally they always talk about parents. So parents can be taught a better sensitivity. This sensitivity is here. Parents' ability to respond sensitivity and appropriately to their infants' bids for attention. Okay. Programs based on attachment theory therefore aim to improve parental parental sensitivity by increasing parents' understanding of their children's requirement and attachment related conduct. So sensitivity can be taught a better sensitivity and dash of children's needs and behavior. So children's need is here. Behavior, attachment related conduct. So understanding can be taught better sensitivity is parental sensitivity by increasing parents' understanding. Can be taught a better sensitivity and understanding. So here we can write understanding. See this. Okay, now next parenting style theory. So in next paragraph we can see this word. Okay, one by one we get the location, then easily we can find. Only you need to understand the paraphrasing skills. So here parenting style theory is based on relationship between child behavior and parents skill. So child rearing practices means skills kind of thing. So we are looking for 35, also known as authoritative style. Let's find we can authoritative styles. Parenting style is also there, authoritative style is also there, but we are looking for this last line. Parents are taught to encourage appropriate. So at the end of this paragraph they must be talking about what encourage. Here it is given, encourage parents. Programs include elements that encourage parents to allow their children to experience risk taking, taught to encourage appropriate. So what they are looking for, parents to allow their children to experience risk taking aimed high level of supervision. Our parents are taught to encourage appropriate. Parents encourage parents to allow their children to experience risk aimed high levels. Okay, they are saying parents should be encouraged to allow their children to do high risk, to experience high risk taking some work that requires supervision. So here appropriate supervision. Okay, next question. So in the same paragraph, next question is 36, same paragraph I can see human ecology. So same word, based on child's relationship with its environment, the model of human ecology uh, assumes that a child development is determined by his or her interaction and the risk within relationship with its environment, and environment is not we have to go to next page, and the risk within that. Here when we were talking about parenting styles theory, now I understood that it answer is not supervision, it is risk taking, because parents are taught to encourage appropriate, see this, allow parents to allow their children to experience risk taking, appropriate risk taking. Parents should encourage, are taught to encourage risk taking experience with their children. So we were looking for this 36 number. So human ecology we have got here in the last sentence, and I have turned I have used my next page also. So here we were just looking environment. So the ecology assumes that child development is determined by his or her interaction, emotional warmth, love. She also protects her baby. So I'm looking for environment and risk also. So these two things I'm looking for. So I think emotional, when they are talking about determined by his, her or her interactional emotional warmth and love, she also protects her baby against those parts of from her feelings are brought forth. For example, her baby screams, these negative things they are talking by containing her own hateful feelings about her baby and using them to baby's terror and hate. The good enough mother facilitates her baby's thought and expressions, omnipotent by adapting to his needs until such those feelings. So where they are talking about environment, I think they are talking here, from here they have just a child's development is determined by his or her interaction, emotional warmth and love. She protects her baby against, I think these are some negative kind of environment. That's why uh, no, based on child's relationship, interaction with its environment and the risk within that. Risk by containing her own hateful feelings about her baby, using to intuit the baby's terror and hate. The good enough mother facilitates her baby's thought and expressions of omnipotent by adopting these skills needs until such time as gradually begins to feel safe. I think they are indirectly talking about these things. And the risk omnipotent within it. I think omnipotent word will come here because of this omnipotence with its environment and risk. So overall they are talking about this environment and risk also.